Etie for me mamuni akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Many abo article bi so na me hu article no te say abreho akamiye. Ghana ni bia wo UK. Na wonyem boye nurse. Te say coronavirus ekuno. Na a very sad story eba. Yatro ewo Daily Graphic kram nti me read yatro. Na a very sad news. Very sad news. But the good news from this sad news, sad news although, but the good news from the sad news, they say, nebano survive but mame nankasa de coronavirus no ekuno ya. Now, me person me read the article natural. It's quite emotional. I say, a pregnant Ghanaian nurse based in the United Kingdom has died after contracting the coronavirus disease. Now, obi ayeka ne ho asemi. Very young, 28 years. More say yari no into me nkum young people no. She's extremely young, like 28 years. Your friend Mary Ejiwa Japan. Na woye juma ana she was working as a nurse. A general ward a war hospital be your friend no. Bedfordshire Hospital. Na what she say woye juma was a hospital 5 years ni. 5 years ni. Hospital a woko wo. You see your friend no. Luton and Dunstable Hospital. Easter Sunday ya ena story esi na me hu story no me say Charlie we dear e wo say ye ni na ye tie assembly na ye ma ye ni eda ye ho so coronavirus by a lot of misconceptions. Okay, Ghana has say kana nkrofo kan say coronavirus name to me mba because area na e wa ha say ne den. You see, look at what we are seeing. I say her baby girl was successfully delivered after an emergency cesarean section and is doing well according to the hospital. Not just say ne bana kra no na e was say ye maame no operation na ye akwala no efri ne mu. According to the Guardian, Mary tested positive for the virus on 5th April and had the cesarean soon after going into hospital on 7th April but died on Sunday. Yet, your article, so I was say, the hospital said she had finished her last shift on 12 March and had not been at work since then, adding that they had followed official guidance and she was not treating a corona patient. It is not known if she was infected when she was still working or if the baby has contracted COVID-19. It is understood her husband is self-isolating. Her colleagues at Luton and Dunstable University Hospital said she was a fabulous nurse and a great example of what we stand for. The NHS Trust Chief Executive David Carter said the survival of her baby daughter was a beacon of light at this very dark time. Inti story no ye ready ye e wo brofo mu no mesre metetra se wo twimu because ye ready nsem wo brofo mu nkrofo complain say ya mfa mba twimu ma wo mo anti ase asam ne say ababa wa bia wo ye Ghana ni a wo ti UK na waware na trese wonyem we di 28 na wo ye nurse na trese coronavirus wonya bi na wonya coronavirus no onyem nti no na e wo say ye operation Emma no natrese akola no wo free ne yem nekre wo mo aye eyi akola no na maame nankasa de one survive a very young lady, very energetic, 28 years ono ankasa one survive na a doctor for so go mu nim say ne ba no coronavirus no wenya bi ana wo mu entumi entre ekunu ne nso no wo mu entumi entre say wo no nso nya coronavirus ni bi ana. But the picture of the lady and no and the da who screen so no very beautiful lady same way atono. Now why wouldn't him say UK and America hono a lot of people are dying from this coronavirus thing. A lot of I think health practitioners who from coronavirus and say me. But the reason why this story caught our eye and say well you Ghana ni obviously you don't expect us to not report on this. So our condolence to the family and all the relatives, no, and all the loved ones. Now hospital no, baby I know ye juma no. One must say woman name senior wa yeah when you coronavirus no. And that's one thing about the coronavirus. Like if you are diagnosed, na ebia wonim say you've not come in contact with anyone bia ebia wo yare na. Who senior unya no. Make I say the very first cases of coronavirus, the very first Ghana cases of coronavirus it was cases of people bia I think na some old Ghana military man be ene ne yere. And the very first community case yenyaye womu say na womu ni baby omunya virus in fear because womu say womu mpia nko bebia womu mpia nko bebia womu hwefie. The only thing they came in contact with me say the previous week they had a package from London. It is so many coronavirus no musu say e be a package na a free London airba no and no na coronavirus no ewo ho a e ma womu enyaye. So that's how it is. People don't know where and how they came in contact with this coronavirus. Hospital na lady we almost they don't actually know. We want to say a difference if indeed she was working and taking care of coronavirus patients and I can know because say be patients need be and when you're free, but there is no known patients and now juma and now war serving and now war treating. So the hospital is actually confused at the moment. But senior womu penny no ekan was say the very light and the little light at the end of the dark time and they say akwala so survive ye bomba say akwala no coronavirus no onyabi and then it's something. I mean it's something. So coronavirus I don't know. Ghana has this coronavirus no. Scientists from what Ghana has say about interest there are 15 different types of coronavirus in Ghana. 15 different types. It tells you say coronavirus omo scientists no better say a mutate. It mutates. And that's one thing is you wouldn't even know whether it is good or bad. Because ebia China dieno abahano so you say a mutate here. You wouldn't know say ebia it has become more deadly or because eba Ghana no go be hu say Ghana condition no ayeden nti ono so yeden wo upgrade ne ho ono so mia ne ho ayeden no dey facing you say den you wouldn't know. But let me tie good evening Ghana Paul Adomotri and it is known say some Ghanaian doctors be we want find the DNA and RNA of coronavirus no omo can say there are 15 different types of coronavirus they've discovered in Ghana. Oje ho awon ti ase ya we bone be na trese abasin say yen komu a and there say watching say and there say watching say last report be na me video on coronavirus. They say scientists cry aye ehu ne say sa coronavirus ne kran ne say bin prediasan say uyin from abone kran na etumi bon into uwo coronavirus na uyin from abone a etumi ema wo bi enyabi nipa ko no ewura room ho a ono nso etumi nyabi e na me say yare ben kreni yare bone ben kreni a te say ten bia wo be sorry a wo be ti asem foforo afa yare we ho wo be sorry bia na wo be ti asem foforo afa yare ho edien nko yare nko oh we dey edi nyankopon e ba bebo ayen edi nyankopon because even the scientists day in day out they get overwhelmed with things like this. Our coronavirus, almost discover new things about coronavirus now. Then they get overwhelmed. We just hope say coronavirus no, the Ghana no, it will not be as deadly as the na it was Spain no, because okay Spain womu be wuwu pan, and also scientists ba bonte be ka said that be coronavirus na akwa do Spain ni Italy na ekunkum nkrofo no, a different type of coronavirus, a mutate. A do Spain hono wa upgrading ne ho akọ Spain no wo mo system ni mu amatre se woni Spain for na ye level ntana no wo kunkun wo mo sa no it just ono de o man bia wo bedu bia wo be upgrade ne ho Hey, many. Anyway, Mary, may her soul rest in peace. Send me the condolence to her family as well. Montreal comment box in the moment.